Welcome to Alma by Mission Group. This is a luxury pre-sale that starts in September of 2023, estimated completion in 2025, late in the year. The building is located off of Abbott Street, directly across from the new city park. It will have 3 townhomes and commercial on the bottom, an 8,000 square foot terrace patio on the second level, and the building goes up to 6 stories. Views for front-facing Lakeview units will be starting at the 3rd level. The building itself has extra soundproofing within floors and between walls. The developer has put extra thought into the lifestyle, including natural gas even on the patios for individual units. There'll be 2 color options, dawn and dusk, to choose from. So you'll have a variety of options for you when choosing whether you want a light or dark color tone. The pre-sale deposit is 15% of the total purchase price, and every unit comes with parking except for studio units. The kitchen and the bathroom that you see here is standard. So we have full KitchenAid stainless steel appliances, natural gas stove, and even the cabinets, which are locally built by Norelco, have additional features such as this beautiful pull-out corner unit. Countertops are a high-end quartz, and you have nice tiled backsplash. In the bathrooms, as you can see, there's undermount lighting, handleless opening for the drawers, along with a hidden drawer inside. It gives you a sleek look. You've got LED lit mirrors and also even an alcove for LED lighting in your shower. This is a beautiful timepiece that'll bring some luxury to your life.